You know those meals that taste like magic showed up at your doorstep in a brown paper bag? Well, tonight, that's exactly what we're making. This is your lazy weeknight dinner pass. Quick, ridiculously tasty, and yes, absolutely homemade. So good, it might just start a new dinner tradition. Tonight's quick weeknight dinner is a bold, sizzling garlic sesame beef stir-fry that comes together in just 20 minutes. It's coated in a sticky, savory sweet ginger sesame glaze that tastes like it came from your favorite Asian takeout spot. And we're not stopping there. We'll plate it with steaming white rice, serve up a side of crunchy honey roasted edamame, and pour a tall glass of chilled strawberry lime juice that tastes like summer in a cup. Oh, and that ginger sesame glaze. You'll want to put it on everything. We're making it from scratch in under 5 minutes. So grab your skillet, because once we start, this dinner doesn't slow down. Don't forget to subscribe and share. You don't want to miss what we've got coming next in this series. Now let's get right into it. First, grab 1 pound of flank steak or any thinly sliced beef you have. Toss it into a bowl, then sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and a splash of soy sauce. Mix it up until every piece is lightly coated. This helps the meat stay tender and get that glossy finish. While that sits for just a minute, it's the perfect time to start the rice, because nothing says comfort like hot stir-fry over fluffy white rice. Take 1½ cups of jasmine, or long grain rice, and rinse it thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and helps the grains stay beautifully separate. Bring 3 cups of water to a boil in a medium saucepan with a pinch of salt. Stir in the rice, reduce the heat to low, cover tightly, and let it simmer gently for 12 to 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Then turn off the heat, leave it covered for another 5 minutes, and fluff with a fork. The grains should be soft and perfectly cooked, light, tender, and ready to soak up that glossy stir-fry sauce. Now let's get to the glaze. In a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup low-sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 2 cloves of garlic finely minced, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes if you want a little heat. Whisk it together. It should smell bold, tangy and sweet. Heat a large non-stick skillet, or wok over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, and once it's hot and shimmering, add the beef in a single layer. Let it sear, don't stir it right away. That caramelized edge gives it so much flavor. After about a minute, start tossing it around and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until the beef is no longer pink. Now pour in your sauce. It will sizzle and bubble instantly, thickening into a beautiful glaze that coats the meat in seconds. Toss everything together until every slice glistens. Then finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions. As the beef finishes cooking, let's throw together a quick snack. Toss frozen shelled edamame with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of sea salt, and a dash of chili powder. Spread on a tray and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes until lightly golden and a bit crisp at the edges. Sweet, salty, and just the right crunch. Let's blend the drink. In a blender, add 2 cups of fresh strawberries, juice of 2 limes, 1½ cups cold water, and 1 tablespoon maple syrup or honey. Blend until smooth, strain if you like it extra light, and pour over ice. The pink color is vibrant, and that fruity limey tang is like a sunset in a glass. Now it's time to plate. Spoon amount of fluffy rice into a bowl, creating a soft bed. Pile that glossy garlic sesame beef right on top, letting the sauce cascade into the rice. Add a handful of golden roasted edamame to the side, and serve with a cold glass of strawberry lime juice. Fresh lime slice on the rim, optional but delightful. Want to make it your own? Swap the beef for thin chicken strips, tofu, or mushrooms. Add in bell peppers, or snap peas for crunch. Got leftovers? Use them in wraps, or fried rice the next day. And there you have it. A lightning fast dinner with bold flavors, sizzling textures, and restaurant-quality presentation. But here's the twist you didn't order out. You made this in just 20 minutes. If this meal made you smile, subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Should we recreate more takeout faves? Because with fun food stories, dinner's never boring again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next fun food story.